Trinity.
And me, Cindy.
And today we're gonna be unboxing these boxes. So in these boxes there are 3 big mats. So let's get started.
Okay.
Alright. Which box should we do first, Sarah?
I think we should do this one.
Okay.
Since it's already like my mat.
Watch out.
Oh.
So we have this box.
Uh-huh.
And now someone open it.
Uh-huh. I got the scissors. And I'm ready to cut.
Cut the tape.
Okay. Wait.
That's not
Oh,
tape.
okay. Cut the tape.
Okay, and then I'll put this side.
Okay, this one. Okay. Let's go ahead and cut it.
Anything from the tape?
Yep, almost done.
Okay. Let's pour some of the tape. All done?
Nope, not yet. Almost done.
You first. You need to close the scissors.
Okay. Almost done.
Okay.
Pretty hard.
You need help?
Oh, I'm actually right here.
Oh, okay.
I think I got it. Okay, I think we need to turn this box because we can't forget about the other side.
Yeah, tell me. You got it?
Yeah. Man, they really did put a lot of tape on the edges.
Oh, jeez. So I would kind of cross some of the tape. It's like a splat.
Okay. Oh, there's like a whole another area.
Okay.
I'm gonna start here.
Okay. You just stay wherever it tells you.
Yes. Oh.
Oh my god. Oh, how much tape did they put on this?
I don't know. Man, you do keep these boxes hard.
Look what's the way it did. Okay.
Let's turn it back the other way.
No, this one's good. Take it with me. I mean, with you.
Tore up, isn't it? Other piece. Look what I just did to this box.
Oh, alright, now we need it kind of like. Oh, there we go. Anyway, keep working on what we're doing. I'm gonna eat it. Jeez.
How hard is it to open up these boxes? This box. Whoa. Oops.
The wood. Oh my goodness, you're bending the box.
Oh, I just thought it was the real thing. I did it!
What in the world?
Yeah.
Open it.
Yeah.
Wow, it's purple kind of. Look how purple it is.
Whoa!
Ooh, Velcro too.
Let's open this mat up. Whoa.
Oh, whoa.
You want to move out the way so we can actually flatten it down a little?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm gonna do Velcro to it. Jeez.
Whoa. This is like amazing.
That's long.
It feels amazing. It's very
One box down. Time for the next one.
Yep, let's do this one.
Okay.
Okay, whoa, whoa, whoa. That was zero.
Well, we don't really use this these days.
But I need a.
Oh, we never know.
Ow!
Sure we do.
Yeah! Hashtag yes. Stab, stab.
Me trying to use my knees. I'm gonna do that to the box. Oh, there we go.
Oh, shit.
I did it!
I really did understand. Jeez! I think he's tearing open the whole thing. Jeez.
Oh, that was easier.
Yeah.
Taking the box with you again. Oh, where did that go?
I don't know.
Oh, oh,
Hey, get out of my foot! Oh, these scissors.
I mean, finish it over here.
I'm starting a new victory. You're taking the box with you. This is very hard.
I think we can just kind of like whip it on out. I'm gonna help soon.
Okay, let me just tear off this piece. There we go. We gotta get this thing.
Oh, whoa. Or not.
Stack it on here. Woo!
You got clear.
Yeah. Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's like almost stuck to me.
Yeah, it's Velcro. Watch out.
Okay.
Use the scissors.
Okay, bye-bye. Bless you. Thanks.
Now we're 2 levels higher.
Yeah,
Oh my
whoa.
goodness. But we're good. Alright,
Okay.
watch out. I'm gonna take this off instead. Oh no, it's stuck. I totally forgot about the Velcro. Ugh. I forgot about the Velcro. Alright, time for the last box.
Oh yeah. Okay. Okay. I'm gonna start stabbing it. Actually, the needle are gonna get.
Oh yeah, you got it. You got it, you got it. You're not gonna stop, are you? Oh my goodness. Oh, that was quick and easy. Whoa. Well, Swin, what are you doing? Just rip it with your hands. Go.
I think we're gonna pull it out.
Whoa. Alright, now that we have all 3 unboxed, we're gonna go out into the hallway and show you how big they are, so we'll see you then. Alright, so now that we have it all set up, I'm gonna show you how big it is.
Yeah.
This is so big. And this is only 3 mats.
Yes.
It's all the way from here to where you can see.
Yes. It's all the way from here. And then it's all the way over there.
And you know what it's time for?
Yeah. A dance party! Woohoo! Oh.
Well, everyone, we hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that like button. Bye!